Welcome everybody to Rainbow Delight, and today I'm going to draw George Kirrin, which is on a famous series called Famous 5, written by Enid Blyton. We're going to start with her shoe. First, you're going to put a little dot at the bottom of your page, like this. Not sure whether you can see that. Then, you have to take your pencil, curl around, and then you should end up with a shape like this. Go along like this, just a bit longer than the edge, because this is going to be her foot. Then, we're going to make George like standing up and nice and proud. So we're going to draw like this, a line until you're happy with the height. Bring the bottom of her foot up to the same height. You can use a ruler if you like. You have to put a line here and a line here. This is where my pencil is pointing is going to be her sock. For her shoe, just draw like some little curves to indicate that they're trainers. Then go up like this. Then just do a mirror image on the other side. I made mine a bit large, but please don't do that. She's wearing shorts, so I'll do that. And I'll finish it off here. Please don't be as disorganized as me. I'm not the best, organized YouTuber. There. You're gonna put a line at the top. This is gonna be where her shirt starts. She wears a long sleeve shirt, and we're gonna put her hands like this. Looks a bit like a vine for some reason. And we're not doing them now, but she has stripes. We'll do that last thing. Do a similar thing like that. There. Then we're gonna bring her up like this. Now, the tricky thing about George is that she's a girl, yeah? Well, Georgina, sorry. But she actually wants to be a boy, so we have to make her look as if she's a girl, but she's pretending to be a boy. So, with the mouth, we're just going to do a little smile like this. This makes it look like a girl, right? Then you're going to draw a little line like this. This is going to be her nose. 2 round circles. You can make the eyes point in whichever direction you want. Add some eyelashes and the hair. Ooh, ears. Just make it curly. If you want, you can just add some little stray ones on her forehead. And a bit sticking out of here. And there you are. You've got George Kirrin. There. Oh, I forgot the stripes. The stripes go here. Just make them like a line. Like this. It might take a long time, so you might just want to pause the video and do them yourself. Just make them all aligned, otherwise they might end up just looking mismatched. Really? You have the best vocabulary. Nah, I'm terrible at it. Oh yeah, bottom half. Sorry if these fingers look like vines. If you want to colour her in, her skin is white. Well, like white. I was in like white, the skin colour, not actually white. Her shirt is like ornated in red and white. Her shorts are blue and her trainers are brown, I think. And her socks are just white. Well, anyway, here's my tutorial on George Kirrin finished. Bye bye. Around. Here. Sorry, I looks upside down. Bye bye.